Hi there, hang with me, let me show you how to turn this particular red and white cabbage juice into a profitable business that you can sell from home and from any corner. So discover the powerful benefits of cabbage juice in this vibrant and refreshing recipe made with red cabbage, white cabbage, lemon, ginger and pineapple. This juice is packed with antioxidants, digestive enzymes, anti-inflammatory compounds and vitamin C and vitamin K as well, making it an excellent natural remedy for gut health, detoxification, bloating relief and immune support, and also help to lose belly fat and lose weight generally. So in this video you will learn exactly how these ingredients and how to prepare this colorful cabbage juice. The science-backed health benefits of cabbage is that it contains antioxidants. It's help to speed up digestion, which also help to speed up metabolism, helps to reduce inflammation, and also contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin K, which is needed for the body and also for your skin to thrive and glow because of the hydration compound in it. Because cabbage is high in water content, it also helps you to lose weight and glow properly because it flushes out toxins from your body and make you look refreshing. So these are the ideas that you will be able to add up into your adverts for customers to patronize and see the need of drinking cabbage juice. This is one of the juice that is very underrated but really works so good, and it is so perfect for just a comfy during the summer, just sitting on the balcony, drinking something, hydrating yourself, having a good time after a sunny day and a stressful day, or early in the morning. You take it in an empty stomach. So this is just basically one of the ingredients, the high benefits of it. And this juice is also rich in fibers, very good in fiber, and the fiber content is very high. And because it is rich in fiber content, there you will always shred some pounds. You must shred some pounds, and this your liver will thank you for drinking this particular juice because of the red cabbage with the compounds in the red cabbage that helps to detoxify your liver and promote weight loss and speed up metabolism. So if you are pre-diabetic, if you're diabetic, and if you know someone who is diabetic, this juice should be your friendly juice to cut down your blood sugar level. It does not only reduce your blood sugar level, it also helps to reduce your blood pressure. Everything in this juice is so important. If I have to list the importance of this cabbage juice, I will not reach the end. So combining this with pineapples are rich in fiber, rich in vitamins, and which your body needs. And just this combination helps to reduce that cabbage smell. Because of the pineapple, it helps to blend the smell, and it will not have that strong smell from the cabbage itself. So you will not be feeling that you're drinking that cabbage water, which is uncomfortable. So the lemon, the pineapple, and the ginger just gives that blend to it, depending on how much you mix it up. But everything just works so well and gives that good drinking nature. So if you have watched this video up to this point, it means you are liking this video and you should subscribe and join the crew. Subscribe, like, share to your contacts, those who are pre-diabetics. You know someone who is diabetic, who is pre-diabetic, who is overweight. This is the tips for you. I'm selling this for free, but this is my side hustle that I am doing at the side to get extra income. I deliver to those who cannot do this particular juicing like this, who don't have the time to do what I am doing, who don't have the time to stress in the kitchen like this. I stress for you guys, and you pay me little money, and I earn some extra income. So the reason why you should be able to do this is because your body needs this fiber. Everyone needs these fibers in their body, whether you are even wanting to lose weight or not. This should be one of your drinks that you should always do at least once every month for every person. It is very important. So at this point, I have been juicing the white cabbage, and then with the lemon and the ginger. I started with those ones, and then I will go with the pineapple. I'm starting the pineapple right now, and that is just to juice all the white shiny ingredients. Then the last part of it is to juice the red cabbage. And the color, the pink, the purple color in this juice is so over the moon. So you should try this recipe. Please, if you try this recipe, tell me what you think in the comment section. Tell me your experience, because I know if you're someone who is always constantly bloated, this should be your go-to-go drink that you should take. Instead of taking other forms of juice, I know there are so many fruits you can combine and reduce bloating, but this one is the fastest way you can reduce bloating in your body, because it flushes out all toxins in your body and redefine your liver and give you that chance, that ability to work properly. Insulin is produced in the liver, so if you don't detoxify it, how do you expect it to produce and function properly? So that is why this juice is linked to reducing blood sugar level. So if you watch this video to this point, I know you love this recipe. Please do well to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you'll be trying this recipe. So now I'm done juicing, and I'm just mixing up that so that it gets together, and then start packaging it. So this is how you can package it and make it your own brand. This is how you can package and make your own brand. You can order these bottles online. They are everywhere, the bottles or the plastic. If you're a business person, I would want you to start this business with the plastic ones, so you can easily handle them with the delivery, because these juices cannot be kept out for a longer period of time, and because it is going to be transported from one place to the other for your delivery, I will encourage you to use the plastic ones. The plastic ones, it will be much easier. So this is how you can just turn a very good, profitable, healthy drink into a profitable business that will land you some cash. The rising cost is not joking with anybody, so you have to devise strategies to survive, right? Don't depend on your 9-to-5 jobs. I mean, if you're on this channel and you're still depending on your 9-to-5 jobs, what are you doing, girl, boy? Get up from that mindset and get to move. Put your mind to work, and anything you put your mind and set your mind in, you can do it. This is how I tasted it, and it tasted so amazing. I drank all of this with the speed of light because I was so thirsty at this point. Look at that. It is so delicious. Woo! Did you hear that? So you can cook this and then make this, brand it, and put your name, your business name, and your logo on it, and that's it. That's a good business to start with, to begin with. This is just as simple as it is. Is it not inviting? If you put this in the shop, they will buy. And you put your price based on how much cost you put in, and you can decide to sell this online.